Hi class, today we will be learning about probability. Probability is a fancy word for the chance of something happening in the future. The question you ask yourself is it probable that it will rain candy from the sky tomorrow? It just means, is there a high chance that I will see candy raining from the sky tomorrow? If you said there's a little chance or no chance at all, you'd be right, although I really wish there was a chance of candy raining from the sky. Okay, so here's what we're going to be learning today. We're going to be learning to use words such as sometimes, always, and never to tell the chance of something happening. And how will we know when we are successful? How will we know when we've learned this? Well, we'll know what the words sometimes, always, and never mean. You might already know that. And we'll be able to give examples of things that happen sometimes, things that happen always, and things that happen never. So the first word we're going to talk about is the word always. What do you think about when you hear the word always? If you said something like, it happens all the time, or it happens a lot, then you would be right. Now that you have to be careful with always, though. I could say I always brush my teeth, but if I forget one day, then I can't say always. I should be saying the chance of me brushing my teeth twice a day is sometimes or very likely. I'm probably going to brush my teeth twice a day, but I might not always do it because there might be the odd time I might forget. Always is something that happens every single time. The next word we're going to talk about is the word sometimes. I find this the easiest one to think about. Sometimes it rains and sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you get the color you want and sometimes you don't. Sometimes you get to go first and other times you don't get to go first. Can you think of other things that happen sometimes? Or things that are going to happen sometimes? Finally, we're going to talk about the word never. This one is funny to think about because it is things that you will never see. That means that they will not happen or can't happen. For example, you will never be older than your parents, and you will never see a flying unicorn pig. Now the fun part, we get to practice. Here I have 3 gumball machines. I love gumball machines. I love how when you spin the machine, you don't know which one you're going to get. It can be pretty exciting, and I think it's fun, but maybe not everybody does. For example, my daughter Haley, she really loves green. I don't think she would like it very much if she got a different color. What are the chances of getting a green gumball in each of these machines? Look closely. Which machine would you suggest I use to get Haley a green gumball? If you said the machine on the left, you're right. I will always get a green gumball. If you look at the machine in the middle, I can sometimes get a green gumball because there's 2 green gumballs. But I won't always get one. Finally, if you looked at the last machine or the machine on the right, there are no green gumballs in that machine, so I can never get a green gumball. Finally, what are the chances of getting a yellow gumball? Be careful, I switched up the order on you. The first gumball machine, there are 2 yellow gumballs. So we won't get a yellow gumball every single time. That means the answer is sometimes. The chance of getting a yellow gumball is sometimes. In the second gumball machine, there are no yellow gumballs. If there's no yellow gumballs, that means there's never, ever, ever a chance of getting a yellow gumball. And in the third machine,